Buffer data. So for those who may be in an environment where the data throughput is faster than the scan rate of the communication driver or OI server, pick your term, there is a feature within System Platform to enable that I/O source to be aware or utilize that buffered data feature. Now, what it does is if without this feature, what would happen is a um, if data was being sent faster than the scan was coming in, then only the latest value would be collected because the values basically just overwrite on top of each other prior to the scan of that OI server. Buffered data, by checking that checkbox, will actually allow those sequential data points to be aligned in order. And when the scan rate comes in, it scoops in all that data. If there's multiple points between scans, and ensure that the data integrity is still there.